Hello and welcome to this new video on how to sign in with Twitter or OnlyFans. So if you're new, subscribe and press the notification bell icon. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser in your device. And when you open the web browser, there is a search bar. Just click on the search bar and type OnlyFans. And when you have typed it, just click enter or search it. And this is the web search result that is shown to you. And now you just need to click on the OnlyFans. That is the first web search result. And when you scroll down a little bit, there is an option to sign in with Twitter. You can just click on the sign in with Twitter and it will take you to this interface. Now you can just enter the username or email of the Twitter and you need to enter your password. After that, you just need to sign in by clicking on the sign in button that is just below it, and after that you will be able to sign in the OnlyFans. And when you enter the username and password correctly and click on the sign in button, you will be able to sign in successfully in OnlyFans and use this OnlyFans as you desired. So if this video was helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.